Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we've got something special for all you plant lovers out there. We're going to review the KELOTEVEN Artificial Areca palm tree, the best indoor palm tree you can find. If you're tired of dealing with real plants and want an easy, maintenance-free solution, this one's for you. This lifelike and vibrant artificial palm tree is designed to bring the beauty of nature into your home without any of the hassle. Let's dive into why it's the best indoor plant palm available. The KELOTEVEN Areca palm is a game changer. It requires no watering, no fertilizing, and no special care. Say goodbye to the stress of plant care, and hello to hassle-free beauty. Whether you want to spruce up your living room, office, or even your outdoor space, this artificial palm tree is the perfect fit. It seamlessly blends into any setting, adding a touch of tropical elegance. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this faux palm tree boasts lifelike details. The clear, soft, and comfortable-to-touch leaves mimic the real thing, making it hard to tell the difference. Want to customize the shape of your palm tree? No problem. The flexible wire in the trunk allows you to adjust the branches to your liking, ensuring it fits perfectly in your space. Whether you prefer a 4-foot, 5-foot, or 6-foot palm tree, KELOTEVEN offers different size options to suit your needs and space requirements. Now, let's hear from some satisfied customers who have already made the KELOTEVEN Areca palm tree a part of their homes. There you have it, folks. The KELOTEVEN Artificial Areca palm tree is truly the best indoor palm you can find. With its maintenance-free design, realistic materials, and customizable shape, it's a must-have for any plant enthusiast. Click the link in the description to get your very own KELOTEVEN Areca palm tree today and transform your living space with tropical elegance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique for more great reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, at Product Critique, we bring you the best products, so you don't have to settle for less. See you next time.